Okay, so here is the pillow, and it has one in this one, and both in this one. And looking at them, you can't really tell the difference until you actually press on them or lay your head on them. This one goes down, and this one is really firm. Doesn't go down as far. This one goes down pretty far because it only has one pillow, not two. And my husband loves the two pillow. He likes things a little bit firmer, soft and firm. And I like the one pillow because I like things to feel like down. And this is the first pillow in 20 years that I have bought that wasn't truly down, that actually feels like down. I am truly in love with this pillow.
So this pillowcase it's like soft but firm. It's really nice material too. But the cool thing about this case is there's two pillows in there. So you can take one out and have it not as thick. It comes out really easy. I took mine out. My husband likes it like this. It's a lot firmer, even though it's soft. It was a little too firm for me, or too big. My head doesn't like to be up that high. I pulled one out. It's perfect. I love this pillow. This is a great pillow.
I don't know what the other reviews are expecting, but this is a pretty dense pillow. I liken it to like folding a piece of paper. A piece of paper by itself, I mean like the inserts are, thin, but when you fold a piece of paper and you fold it, it gets thicker and thicker and thicker. Same concept with this. It's pretty soft, but it's also kind of dense too.
No zipper. Just a really hard pillow.